Hey there, welcome to Rose. In this video, we'll be looking at how you could import data from one spreadsheet to another. Let's dive right in. So on the left, I have a source spreadsheet with data from our Google Analytics account. And on the right, I have a destination or an empty spreadsheet here. There are a couple different ways in which you can import data from source to destination. The first is to just copy the URL from the source spreadsheet. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just copy that URL there. And on the destination, we can start by navigating to the data option there, operations, rows table. And here you can either pick the spreadsheet from the dropdown, or better yet, just paste the URL and it'll automatically identify the table that we wish to import. And from the table dropdown, you can select a bunch of different tables available from the spreadsheet and also modify the range that we wish to import. Now imagine if you didn't want to really import the entire table and only wish to import, let's say, the first two columns. So I would just go ahead and change this to A:B. You can also specify the exact rows that you want to import, which is A5 and B100, and only that specific range would then be imported. In our case, let's go ahead and import the entire table. So I'm going to change this back to A:I and then hit build table with all data. And there you have it. So now you have the data from your source spreadsheet in your destination spreadsheet also. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.